Anyone who have solved the question yesterday I have given? You can share your
Yes.
screen. You have done copy.
Sir, in copy.
Okay, show your copy. Turn on your camera and show your copy.
Sir, I'll send it in the group.
WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay, send. It's not correct. Anyone else who has done?
सर 1.3 होगा ना?
नहीं, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. तुम वेवफॉर्म मुझे दिखाओ.
सर रफ में है इसलिए.
नहीं, रफ में तो नहीं होगा. तुम्हें मैं स्टेप इसलिए बोला था, रफ में थोड़ी ना होगा. पूरा करोगे, स्टेप फॉलो करोगे तभी आएगा. ऐसे रफ में करोगे तो रफ में ही आएगा. You have to follow the steps. Otherwise, you'll get a wrong answer. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, I'll do one question, what I have given yesterday, and again you try. Okay, next class you will show. And all of you follow the steps. If you not follow the step, then obviously the answer will be wrong. See what I have given. You take 2 volt here, then diode in reverse direction. Resistor, then here output voltage. This question, yesterday I have given 2 questions, which is what we have done. Only instead of ideal diode you have to take practical diode. So that thing is very simple, because whatever voltage you have taken, you have to add plus 0.7 or minus 0.7. According to that, the graph will change. Okay, only magnitude will change. And this is the diode which is connected in opposite direction, what we have solved yesterday, and biasing. 2 volt is connected. So what is the first step to analyze the circuit? Let us take the input signal is 10 volt.
Off or on? The diode is off or on?
10 volt peak to peak. So tell me at what condition the diode will be on, at what condition diode is off.
Vi greater than.
So Vi plus 2 minus 2 greater than 0.
Vi less than minus 2. First, how you will start? Yesterday I told you,
Sir plus 2.
so to take this point, okay, and suppose I will take this point.
Yes, sir.
So this point should be less than 0. This is cathode. Cathode means it should be less than 0. So here I'll connect negative half cycle, then only it is short circuit. So here I'll take plus minus VI, apply KVL. So plus to minus VI, plus to minus minus 2
-2.
should be less than 0, na?
Yes, sir. Less than 0.
This is cathode.
Yes, negative.
Cathode. Yes, sir. Yes.
And
If you connect like this, then this is your anode, this is your cathode. Now it is cathode, it is anode. Cathode potential should be less than anode potential, so that is less than 0 you have to take. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So even you do like this, you don't take minus sign initially, you take VI, because we don't know. So you first take like this VI. So VI minus 2 should be less than 0. Assume that you have just given positive half cycle. Now VI less than 2, then D is on. Okay, VI less than 2, जब यहाँ पे एनोड पे तुम्हारा 0 चाहिए, less than 0, that means it should be less than 2 volt. So diode is on. This is the first condition. Its reverse is VI should be greater than 2, then diode is off. Now you draw the equivalent circuit. Once you find the condition, then you have to draw the equivalent circuit. Now what is my equivalent circuit? First take on condition. On condition means 2, then diode is on, then resistor like this, 2 volt plus or minus V naught. So now you tell me, for positive half cycle or negative half cycle, diode will be on. If 2 volt will be not present here, you assume this is not present. In that condition, positive half cycle or negative half cycle, the diode will be on.
Negative.
Negative half. Now, because this 2 volt is there, it is not exactly below 0, it is below 2. Okay, below 2 it is on. Whenever VI less than 2, then diode is on. Earlier, if 2 volt will be not present, then below 0 it will be on. So below 2 means if I consider this case, here this is 2 volt, so entire this region my diode is on. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Below 2.
So it is what? Entire negative half cycle and small portion of positive half cycle.
Yes, sir.
So considering this is negative half cycle, because if you take 0 to 2, I have to put like this. 0 to 2 means positive half cycle like this. If you put negative half cycle, then it will be plus, here minus. So considering each condition, I am taking the maximum one. That means entire negative half cycle is there. So I am taking here plus minus VI. Okay. This is only for assumption, my easiness. Okay. Because entire thing, if I cover, then 0 to minus 10, I have to take plus minus. 0 to 2, I have to take minus plus. So why to take both the condition? I will take directly negative half cycle like this and apply KVL here. So plus to minus, minus Vi minus 2 minus V naught equals to 0. So V naught equals to minus Vi minus 2. If I take the maximum voltage of minus say Vi is minus Vm, I'll replace like this, or I can also like take common Vm plus 2. This is your output voltage for positive half cycle. So ये कब कब हो रहा है, जब जब तुम्हारा इनपुट वोल्टेज लेस देन 2. ओके, now if you take opposite condition Vi greater than 2, that means this region my diode is on or off, diode is off means it is the equivalent circuit. Voltage, then open circuit, then resistance, then plus minus V naught, RL, 2 volt, entire positive half cycle, 2 to more 10, so I am taking here minus plus Vi. So current is 0, so obviously voltage is 0, right? So for Vi greater than 2, output is 0, Vi less than 2, output is Vi
Vm plus minus of
this minus is coming due to this sign. We have taken like this. If you take minus plus for this 0 to 2 region, this region, then it will be Vi minus 2. Okay, because depend upon this sign convention, we are getting this minus sign or plus sign. So I can directly say V naught equals to Vi minus 2. For this 0 to 2 portion, and for 0 to minus 10 portion, minus Vi minus 2. So now the thing is that once you understand that one, you have to draw the waveform. So how will draw the waveform? See here. This is the point where many students will do mistake. Vi, so this is 10, 0, minus 10. What is my condition? 2 volt. So I will take 2 volt this line. Okay. So what I am getting, whenever Vi, see this condition, whenever Vi less than 2, I am getting V naught equals to Vi minus 2. Whenever Vi greater than 2, then diode is off, V naught equals to 0. So if I want to plot that one, green one I'll take. Above 2, this portion will be 0. That means actually these things are cutting. Now this will 0, and the maximum point you see here, if you consider this one, नेगेटिव में कितना है मैक्सिमम? -10 है नहीं?
yes sir.
Here to here -10, here to here 2.
Yes sir.
टोटल कितना होगा?
12
12 minus 12. So from here to here it will be -12. If I am taking 0, then this will be -12. So I'll get the output voltage like this. Like this. So this is upon Vi I have drawn. If you draw again here, then it will be like this. This will be 0, and this is your minus 12 volt. This is T. Got it? So this portion is actually cutting from here to here. Zero to 8 means 2 to 8. This 2 to 10 means 8 volt is cutting here. So 0 to 12 we are getting. Understood how to analyze? Now if you do the opposite way, means instead of this plus 2, if I take minus 2, right, everything will remain same, it will be plus, it will be minus, it will be minus. जब जो तुम्हारा -2 से कम होगा डायोड ऑन, -2 से ज्यादा होगा तो डायोड इज ऑफ. ओके, यस सर. तो वेवफॉर्म कैसे होगा यहाँ पे मैं दिखा देता हूँ. यू कैन सी हाउ वी गेट. So first we have to take this line -2. Okay, so whenever it is less than -2, it is on. Greater than -2, reverse bias means off. So greater than -2 off means output voltage diode is open like this, and I'll get 0 voltage. So above this it will be 0. I'll get like this. This green one is the output, and from here to here it is cutting. Yes or no? You see here, after above -2 diode is off means output voltage is 0. So this will be 0 axis, and below that this is on. On means according to this you will get the equation Vi plus 2. Here it will be minus, means the diode is the voltage source is opposite direction, means it will be plus 2. So Vi plus 2 minus Vi plus 2 will get, so that will be giving here this one. So this upper portion actually it is cutting. So likewise you have to analyze. Okay, again you practice. If you have doubt, then again means the first one I have done, this is the equation and the equivalent circuit, but second one, this one, again you have to try and follow the steps. Without step it is very difficult to track, because you will think it is correct but actually it will be wrong.
सर लास्ट वन का रेंज -2 से -10 होगा. लास्ट वाला सर्किट.
हाँ, लास्ट वन तुम्हारा पहले क्या था, ये 10 था, ये -10 था. ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा यहाँ से यहाँ आया. सो -2 तो ये कितना होगा, ये 0 हो गया, तो ये तुम्हारा -8 हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
ऊपर 2 चला गया ना, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तुम्हारा 10 है, यहाँ से यहाँ 2 है, तो 2 से नीचे आ गया, मतलब तुम्हारा -2 इज कन्वर्टेड टू 0, सो -10 विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू -8. नहीं होगा. ये इसके जगह पे ये देखो, ये इक्वेशन में तुम्हारा क्या होगा, इसके जगह ये छोटा हो जाएगा या बड़ा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो इट विल बी -Vi प्लस 2. सो -Vi का मैक्सिमम कितना है, -10 प्लस 2, दैट विल बी -8. आ रहा है समझ में?
यस सर.
Mathematically and analytically that will be same if you do it correctly.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes.
सर वो डायोड का वोल्टेज कंसीडर नहीं करना है, सिलिकॉन का 0.7.
No, first I have considered here ideal diode. Now you can take practical diode. If you take silicon diode, then according to that you have to do it Suppose I will consider in the first case, like here, how I have connected. Like this, and here diode I will connect negative and positive like this. So across diode you have to put like this. So this will be 0.7. So how much you will get? First case. Like this. So minus Vi, minus 2, then instead of this short circuit I have put it 0.7, so it will be plus 0.7 minus V0 equals to 0. So see here minus 2.7, it will be minus 1.3.
Okay, sir. So, and initial condition will remain same.
Initial condition remains same because we are keeping voltage from here, na?
Okay, sir.
At this point we are taking. If the voltage source is opposite way, then according to that the voltage will also change. Now till now we have discussed the diodes which are connected in series with the load resistance. Now let us see if the diode is connected in parallel, then how we'll find. So it is little bit quite easy compared to the previous one if you understand. So the resistor I'll connect here, then diode like this, and across this I have to find out the output voltage. Even another diode, another resistor also you can place parallel to diode, that will give you same resistance. Like sometime the question will be like this, sometime the question will be like this also. Okay, because anyway the across diode it is connected parallel means same voltage will get. Okay, so for simplicity I am not taking the resistance, and this side is input, this is your output. Continuing कर रहा है. When I am explaining here, I cannot see the chat box. So if you have any doubt, you unmute and ask. So this is the question. Okay, circuit input. We have to find out what is my output. We'll follow the step. What is my first step? Finding the condition. So tell me what is the condition? The diode will be on. Positive half cycle or negative half cycle, or what condition the diode will be on?
So positive.
Positive half cycle. So Vi greater than 0, D is on. Vi less than 0, D is off. Now second, we have to draw the equivalent circuit. So equivalent circuit I am drawing here, diode, ideal diode. So this is your output voltage R. So on condition means minus plus positive half cycle Vi. So apply KVL here. What will get? Instead of applying KVL, you can directly consider here. I want to interest to find V0. Okay, V0 means the potential between these 2 points. So what is the potential between these 2 points? These 2 points are short. So what is the potential difference between these 2 points?
0.
0. both the points are sorted, the potential difference between these 2 points is 0. So directly you can find 0. Otherwise, if you apply KVL, then Vi minus IR plus 0 equals to 0. So IR, because there is no drop across the load, so all the voltage drop across the resistance. So instead of that one, I can write V naught. So V naught equals to Vi minus IR, that is Vi minus Vi, that is 0. Okay, whatever voltage, suppose I am giving 5 volt here, all the 5 volt will be drop across the resistor because there is no drop across the load, that is short circuit. So that's why we will get 0. Or directly you can see 2 sorted point across diode, so the voltage across diode is 0. So when the diode is on, output voltage is 0. Now when the diode is off, let us see. So equivalent circuit is this one, open circuit. So negative half cycle. So here plus, here minus, Vi R, then here V naught. Right? Now apply KVL here. Now tell me what is the voltage drop across resistor? Can I get any current across this loop?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So voltage drop across resistor is 0. So Vi minus, plus to minus means minus, plus 0 minus V naught equals to 0. So V naught equals to minus Vi. Minus Vi. So one thing you need to mark it here, whatever condition I am taking, this plus minus, here minus plus, depend on that I am getting the sign convention here. Here I am taking plus Vi, here I am taking minus Vi, so that I am getting here minus Vi. That means automatically plus or minus is coming. Don't take reverse, means suppose the output you have got here V naught equals to minus Vi, and if I keep it here minus Vi is minus of minus Vm, then it will be plus. Okay, already I have taken sign convention, then I need to take only magnitude here. So in this condition, what should be my output? Whenever diode is positive half cycle and the diode is on, that means I am getting output as 0. Output is 0 up to this point. For negative half cycle, what I am getting? V naught equals to minus Vi. So minus Vi means it will be this. So 0 minus Vm, again 0, again minus Vm, like that it will continue. So this portion actually cutting, the positive half cycle is cutting here. Okay, I am getting only this negative half cycle, like this. Similarly, if you take sine wave, then also you can get like this. So this portion will be cut. I'll get only negative half cycle like this. Like this. Understood? So I have here also followed the first step, condition, second step, equivalent circuit, applying KVL, then drawing the waveform. This is the third step. Any doubt from this? Now you take a practical diode and find its answer. Same input waveform, square waveform. Instead of this ideal diode, let us take silicon diode and try to solve and tell me.
सर
For positive cycle, what we are getting?
सर वो वेव फॉर्म थोड़ा फिर से बता देंगे क्या? वो समझ नहीं आया.
Waveform. Okay. see here, when Vi greater than 0, that means positive half cycle, B is on. What is my output voltage? 0 or not?
Yes, 0. Yes.
When Vi less than 0, D is off. What is my output voltage?
So minus VI.
माइनस Vi. अभी हम यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे एक लेके, T V naught. Let us take this is my time period. So this is T by 2, T 3 T by 2, then 2T like this. Okay. So 0 to T by 2 means half cycle, positive half cycle. So when input is positive half cycle given, then what is my output? Tell me.
0.
0. So I am keeping here as 0. Okay. Now for negative half cycle, what I am getting?
Minus VI.
Minus Vi. So minus Vi means it will be minus Vi. Okay, because input is like this. थोड़ा नीचे होगा. Like this.
Yes, sir.
So for positive half cycle, we are not getting this one. We are getting 0. For negative half cycle, this minus Vi will get. So that's what I am saying. This is minus Vi. You don't take minus of minus Vi means don't take minus of maximum voltage is minus Vm. Minus of Vm if you take, then you will get plus Vm. That means opposite way. Why I will not take that one? Because this negative sign we have got due to sign convention, because I have taken here plus minus, that's why I am automatically getting this minus sign.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, that sign convention we can take according to our wish, na? Plus
You can take your wish, but it is easy to take from here. If you take like this, you can also take minus plus, plus minus your wish. That is not hard and fast rule to take my convention. You can take your convention. If you not take this sign convention like this, if you not take sign convention, you take only Vi. Okay. Then in this case, what you will do? Here no sign convention, Vi. Then it will be Vi. So as you are giving negative half cycle, sorry, here, as you are giving negative half cycle, this Vi equals to negative. You can think like that. Okay, but it leads to some confusion somewhere, because in the previous condition what I have given, something is means biased clipper means part of that negative half cycle, part of positive half cycle. There you confuse what I'll put, negative or positive. So if that confusion is clear, then you can take no convention, then you can put it like that. But it is better to use sign convention, so that automatically you will get some sign and you can think this is my negative half cycle. Here I am getting minus Vi means I am assuming this is my negative half cycle. Again, I am saying this is not hard and fast rule. Okay, convention we are taking for easy analysis or mathematical analysis. Okay.
Yes.
So my convention I am taking like this. So due to this positive sign, negative sign, I am getting minus sign here. So I am assuming this is my negative half cycle and this is the output waveform. Again 0, again negative half cycle, like that it is continuing. This is minus P. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this positive part is actually clipping. Now you take silicon diode and tell me what is the answer or how the graph will look like. Resistor, silicon diode, Here output voltage are input, take E, Vi 0, Vm minus Vm. क्या होगा? What is my condition when the diode is on, when the diode is off?
VI greater than 0.7.
Vi greater than 0.7, then only diode will on, because we have to overcome the threshold voltage. So first condition is Vi greater than 0.7 volt, then D is on. Vi less than 0.7, then D is off. Okay, now we'll do the equivalent circuit. So I'm doing here resistor, then in place of diode what I will do, voltage source, that is 0.7 volt, this is R, here plus minus V naught, so here minus plus Vi. Apply KVL here. So across these 2 points, that means this point and this point, what is your output voltage? This point and this point, what is the output voltage? Between these pink line, pink dot, if I measure the multimeter using multimeter, what I'll get? What is the potential difference between these 2 points?
So 0.7.
0.7, very good. तो इतना टाइम तुम्हें क्यों लग रहा है? Now when Vi less than 0.7 volt, then it is open. So diode is open means open. Maybe it is practical diode or normal diode, ideal diode, it is open. So V naught, this one. So here plus minus Vi, apply KVL here. You can also do like this. This point is connected to this point, so this point and this point are same. This point is same as this one, as no current is flowing across resistor, open circuit. This point is same as this point. Okay. Likewise, this point is same as this point, same as this point, same as this point. तो ये black और yellow के बीच में क्या है? Vi. So output equals to input, or you can apply KVL here, minus Vi, then across resistor I is 0, so drop is 0, here plus minus V naught. So minus V naught equals to 0. So V naught equals to minus PL. Okay. So for positive half cycle or greater than 0.7, it is 0.7. Less than 0.7 means it will change as Vi is changing. Now I will draw the waveform. So this is your input. What I have given Vi 0 Vm minus Vm. आउटपुट T देखो अभी 0.7 मान लो ये है, इसके ऊपर जब जब जा रहा है 0.7 ही आ रहा है कि नहीं? सो फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर आई विल गेट 0.7. गेटिंग? Yes or no? Whenever Vi is more than 0.7, what is my output voltage? 0.7. So more than 0.7 means I am getting output voltage as 0.7 volt. Now whenever it is less than 0.7, that means entire this area I am getting Vi in negative half cycle. So output will be like this, again like this it will continue. That means this portion is actually cutting. Okay, this is your understood. Now tell me, if I change the diode polarity, then what I'll get? First ideal diode, then practical diode. In this case, the diode is connected like this, opposite direction. Like this. क्या होगा?
सर VI लेस देन 0 में डायोड ऑन होगा.
हाँ, तो कौन सा हाफ साइकिल कटेगा?
नेगेटिव
नेगेटिव वाला कटेगा, पॉजिटिव वाला आएगा. ठीक है. सिमिलरली सिलिकॉन डायोड अगर लोगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, ये माइनस ये प्लस, तो माइनस 0.7 आएगा और माइनस 0.7 से नीचे जितना है तुम्हारा आएगा. ठीक है. लेट अस ट्राई टू make little bit complicated, means complex by taking biased clipper. If you understand this simple thing, little bit change will do. So I take a resistor, then one diode, then across diode I'll take one voltage source. Two volt diode take, ideal diode take input, here output, and input will be, let us take sine wave again, T 0 10 minus 10. देखो करो तो, a diode is ideal diode you choose and try to solve it. Let us see how many of you will able to do it. Process is same. If you follow the steps, you will get correct answer. If you think like without following the step I'll do, then sometime you'll get wrong answer and you think that this is correct. Within 3 minutes, 4 minutes you can do. First, find out the condition. What is the condition?
Vi greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
सर ग्रेटर देन 2.
कैथोड में तुम्हारा 2 वोल्ट लगा है, एनोड में कितना होने से तुम्हारा वो ऑन होगा? हाँ, 0 ना. What I told you, anode voltage must be greater than cathode voltage, then only the diode is on. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anode voltage is 2 plus 2. Okay. So sorry, cathode voltage is +2, anode voltage must be greater than +2. Anode diode is on. So first condition is Vi greater than 2 volt, then D is on. Reverse, Vi less than 2 volt, D is off. So once you get this condition, then you draw the equivalent circuit. So first equivalent circuit, Vi greater than 2 volt. तो डायोड शॉर्ट होगा, तो रेजिस्टर में रखा, फिर उसके बाद डायोड को शॉर्ट किया बिकॉज आइडियल डायोड हैव टेकन, देन 2 वोल्ट विल रिमेन एज 2 वोल्ट, then this is your output voltage V0, this is your 2 volt, this is your resistor, here minus plus I am taking because it is more than 2 volt, 2 to 10 volt, that is I am taking minus plus. So what is my output voltage here? That means the potential difference between these 2 points, how much? 2 volt. So directly I can write V naught equals to 2 volt. Now Vi less than 2 volt. So the circuit will be resistor, then diode will be open circuit, 2 volt will remain 2 volt, then here plus minus V naught, 2 volt, resistor. Here I will take plus minus because this is negative half cycle. Less than 2 means entire negative half cycle plus 0 to 2. So I am taking the maximum condition which is negative half cycle. So that you need to understand. Now I'll apply KVL. You apply KVL in this loop. Okay. So plus 2 minus Vi across resistor current is 0. So plus 0. Then minus V naught equals to 0. So V naught equals to minus Vi. Okay. So what do you get? Like previous condition we have got here. जब जब हमारा
-2 नहीं होगा
कौन सा
सर? -2
-2 -2 कैसे होगा? देखो तुम्हें अगर ये अंदर का लूप लोगे, ठीक है, ये अंदर का लूप अगर लोगे तो ये वोल्टेज, ये वोल्टेज, ये वोल्टेज और ये वोल्टेज, लेकिन मुझे क्या चाहिए? वोल्टेज अक्रॉस दिस 2 पॉइंट है नहीं? V naught is what? If you go back to the previous circuit, V naught is across these 2 point, not across these 2 point. Understood?
Yes.
अगर मैं अंदर का लूप ले लिया तो मे बी ये V1 और ये 2 ये लेके V1 निकालूंगा, फिर से उसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, ऐड करना पड़ेगा ये दोनों. तो डायरेक्टली आई एम टेकिंग आउटर लूप, this red one, so that it will be covering this outer loop, ignoring the inside loop, because loop can be taken anywhere. If it is closed, then it is a loop. Okay, so I am considering here like this. If you not understand, then let me again redraw this one. ठीक है, तो ये एक लूप है और रेड वाला ये एक लूप है. Can visualize now?
Understood.
अभी KVL हो गया. Now you can draw the waveform. Waveform is, you see, it is very critical. So let me draw it in a bigger cell.
Sir,
Yes.
जो सेकंड केस था VI लेस देन 2 वोल्ट में सर वो V माइनस V नॉट होगा या प्लस V नॉट होगा सर?
कौन सा? ये वाला?
यस सर, सेकंड वाला प्लस V नॉट होगा ना सर?
प्लस वी नॉट क्यों?
सर पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव जा रहा है ना?
ऑलवेज यू टेक दिस इज प्लस दिस इज माइनस. ओके, ऐसे कहां से कहां जा रहा है ये मत सोचो. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव जा रहा है मतलब तुम वैसे भी सोचो ना, करंट इज फ्लोइंग, आई एम मूविंग इन दिस लूप, सो इट इज प्लस, इट इज माइनस. सो प्लस टू माइनस मीन्स माइनस, and here plus to minus means minus, and I am taking this side. कहाँ पे डाउट है तुम्हारा?
Yes sir, I got confused sir with the polarity. Got it, sir.
Here plus minus, so plus to minus means minus I have put it here. Here plus minus I have put it minus. So I am taking V naught outside. So V naught equals to minus VI.
Yes sir, yes sir.
अभी देखो ये इनपुट सिग्नल है VI, अच्छे से देखो because this is very important. Any circuit you can solve like this. 10 volt here minus 10 volt. तो अगर मैं सेम ग्राफ यहाँ पे ही बनाऊंगा तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, मेरा कंडीशन को पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज माय कंडीशन? 2 volt. ओके, सो 2 volt, लेट अस टेक दिस इज माय 2 volt line. Okay, so what I have got, whenever VI is more than 2 volt, output voltage is 2 volt. So at this point VI is less than 2 or greater than 2? This point, let me take another color, blue color. At this point VI is less than or greater than 2?
Less than 2.
Less than 2. So when VI is less than 2, what is my voltage?
VI.
VI. So VI is 0, output is also 0. So I am drawing here blue one, it is 0. This is my V naught. Now let us take this one. This is, let us take 1 volt. Less than 2 volt. Less than 2 volt means V naught equals to VI. I am taking here entire negative half cycle. That's why it is coming as minus VI. If you take plus half cycle, then it will be plus VI, which is 0 to 2 portion. Okay, so that's why I am getting here 1 volt. So like this, then up to 2 it will continue like this. Okay, simultaneously I am drawing in the input as well as separate output. जैसे ही तुम्हारा इनपुट वोल्टेज 2 वोल्ट से ज्यादा हुआ, ठीक है, 2.1, 2.2, 2.5 like that, output voltage is remain constant. Okay, until this point. Okay, so this is remain 2 volt until it is below 2 volt. जैसे ही तुम्हारा 2 volt से नीचे आ गया तो क्या होगा? Same as VI. So this is VI, this is minus VI. Now now are you getting what I am trying to explain here?
Yes, sir.
Depend upon this positive and negative sign, because here V less than 2 means 2 to 0, 0 to minus 10. Okay, two conditions are there. I have taken here only 0 to minus 10, that's why I am getting here minus VI. If you take 2 to 0, then it will be minus plus, it will be V naught equals to VI. Okay, so that's what I am getting here. जब जब तुम्हारा 0 to 2 के बीच में रहेगा, पॉजिटिव हाफ साइकिल में रहेगा, फिर उसके बाद VI होगा. तो इस तरह आएगा, इस तरह आएगा, इस तरह आएगा, फिर ऐसे, like this it is moving. Clear? Now this point is your 0 this is your t by 2, this is your t, this is your 3t by 2. लेकिन आउटपुट में तुम्हारा क्या हो रहा है, this is 0 and this point means this is your t by 2, this point is your t, this is your 3t by 2 and this is your 2 volt. below क्या होगा, -10. This will be not. Understood how you draw the diagram, how you have analyzed. First you have find out condition, then equivalent circuit, then apply KVL, how to apply KVL, then drawing the waveform. Once you complete this 3 to 4 step, then you'll get correct answer. And here this is your output voltage. This way. Okay, so this is your output voltage. Understood? Any doubt? Now I'll give question to you. You'll practice and show me in the next class. I'll take the diode in the same direction, but I'll change the voltage polarity. Instead of +2, it will be -2. So 2 volt. E naught here input. Okay. So the first case. So previous one, what we have done, you can take also silicon diode. Here also you can take silicon diode. Then you will do the same thing by changing the polarity of the diode. You connect first +2 and here you can take another one by taking -2. Input R D 2 volt, R input D 2 volt, here to here output voltage, here to here output voltage. Okay, 3 circuit I have done. This is first, this is second, this is the third. 1, 2, 3. Again this 3 will be taken as silicon diode. So next set of 3. Then you can take change the voltage polarity, or I can give you just idea how this question will be changed, and so many questions you can build. 0, 10, -10. Then like this, VI here 0, 5, -10. और एक यहाँ पे बना देता हूँ जहाँ पे like this 0, +10, -5. So this is one input, second input, third input. अभी देखो ये 3 सर्किट, ये एक सेट हो गया, इसमें ये फर्स्ट इनपुट दूंगा तो 3 हो गया, सेकंड इनपुट दूंगा तो 6 हो गया, थर्ड इनपुट दूंगा तो 9 हो गया. ठीक है, 9 सेम सेट ऑफ यू कैन टेक बाय टेकिंग सिलिकॉन डायोड और 9 हो गया, 9 + 9 18 हो गया. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद क्या करूंगा मैं यहाँ पे और एक वोल्टेज लगा सकता हूँ 1 वोल्ट करके, यहाँ पे ऐसे करके 1 वोल्ट लगा सकता हूँ. 2 voltage will be parallel means what is the answer? What is the effective voltage? Can you say? two voltage are series. So what is the net voltage?
3
Are you able to listen or not? One voltage is connected like this, another voltage is connected like this. 1 volt, 1
Sir.
volt. Huh?
3
So we
volt.
have a physics class right now, sir.
Huh, I'll leave. Just 2 minutes.
Yes.
So what is the net voltage if two voltages are in series? Don't know. So these
So three.
3 volt.
3 volt, both are in series.
Yes, sir.
So that thing, a lot of question can be framed. So by next class, first I'll check how much you have done.
सर थर्ड का इनपुट दिखाइए ना सर थर्ड इनपुट
Third का input, just reverse means 5 volt, 15 volt plus 15 volt, नीचे minus 5 volt. You can change, no problem.